smooth. It's gonna be like pulsing. You know what I mean? What that? There's a word for that. It's gonna be pumping. I don't like that word. Man. It's gonna be pulsing. You know what I mean? Yeah. Whoa. What it going on, people? We bite for number three. Bro, that is 4 fingers. I be tweaking, right? Hold on. Put the shade on or no shade on. Hold on. I can't even see what I look like till I don't even do no shades. All right, hell. I'm here to clarify something, man. But first, I be asking y'all, let me know what y'all need to learn, and I got y'all on a video, right? I got y'all on a video. How my voice sounding? We crispy. We crispy in here. Oh, I had somebody in the comments talking about, bro, you got so much on a vocal thing. I need people to understand where bro is coming from. You know what I mean? What I had on my channels is the mic emulation thing. I keep these on there because I have modulation mic. I don't got the 20 bands on the mic. I got the modulation mic. You know what I mean? But today, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna mix it without. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna show y'all you don't need that. Let's get right into it, man. Too much talking, man. I'm doing too much yapping right now. Let's go. We're gonna start with the auto tune like always. Let's get it.
Yeah, I had racks in the middle. Way before Malcolm had them racks in the middle. Guns, we were little. Play around with me, we got choppers, we gon' get them. Yeah, I had racks.
Yeah, easy peasy, easy peasy. You know what we gonna do? The SSL. Check this out. I'm gonna reset the jump. Boom, blank canvas. Canvas? Canvas. Bro, I can't speak, bro. High pass, my bad. High pass. Let go.
Yeah, I had racks in the middle. Way before Malcolm had them racks in the middle. Guns, we were little. Play around.
Hey, y'all know how this go. But if y'all still need me to talk about it, let go. I'll do a brief overview of the John.
Yeah, Malcolm had them racks in the middle.
You know, you boost the highs from 5K all the way up to whatever sounds good to you. I do 5 sometimes. I do 8 sometimes, but sometimes 5 might sound a little too harsh, so I move it up to 8. You know, it's still the same, but it just over. You know what I mean? And from there, I aim for the little nasally voice part right here.
Yeah. Racks in the.
Oh, sometimes I hear a frequency that just it hurt my spine. You dig what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah, I had racks in the middle. Way before Malcolm had them racks in the middle. We were little. Play around with me, we gon' get them. Yeah, I had racks in the middle. Way before Malcolm had them racks in the middle. Around with me, we got choppers, we gon' get them. Yeah, I had racks in the middle.
Let go. From we do the EQ and we slide right back into the de-essing. And what we looking for in the de-esser? 5 dB maximum reduction. You know what I mean? Let's see.
Yeah, I had racks in the middle. Way before Malcolm had them racks in the middle. Guns, we were little. Play around with me, we got choppers, we gon' get them. Yeah, I had racks in the middle. Way before Malcolm had them racks in the middle. Guns, we were little. Play around with me, we got choppers, we gon' get them. Yeah.
Yo, and we lit, boo. We lit. It's easy. Put the threshold around the middle.
Yeah, I had
looking for 3 to 5 dB reduction. All right.
Yeah, I had racks in the middle. Way before Malcolm had them racks in the middle. Guns, we were little. Play around with me, we got choppers, we gon'.
And I be telling y'all, See this time constant thing right here? That's your release. It's like an attack release built in. Don't keep it at one. It's gonna be too jumpy. It ain't gonna keep your voice all smooth. It's gonna be like pulsing. You know what I mean? What that? There's a word for that. It's gonna be pumping. I don't like that word. Man. It's gonna be pulsing. You know what I mean? Yeah. Whoa. Pause.
Yeah, I had racks in the middle. Way before Malcolm had them racks in the middle. Guns, we were little. Play around with me, we got choppers, we gon' get them. Yeah, I had.
Yeah. Now we move to the second compressor, where you keep it tame, keep it in a bubble wrap. You know what I mean? Keep it smooth, round it off. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I had racks in the middle. Way before Malcolm had them racks in the middle. Guns, we were little. Play around with me, we got choppers, we gon' get them. Yeah, I had.
I bet. I bet. Hey, who could guess what this one for? You're damn right. Leveling. This ain't doing nothing but leveling. We're leveling this thing to the beat, the vocal to the beat.
Guns, we were little. Play around with me, we got choppers, we gon' get them. Yeah, I had racks in the middle. Way before Malcolm had them racks in the middle. Guns, we were little. Play around with me, we got choppers, we gon' get them. It's a rich nigga play. She want rich nigga date.
Ooh, it's just like that. Come on, man. We ain't need that extra plug-in, man. Come on. I'm trying to show y'all sauce. You know what I mean? Hey, tune back in for the next episode. I'm telling y'all, whatever y'all want to learn, I teach y'all. We can even swap to FL Studio. Y'all need me to do something over there. I got sauce everywhere. It's spilling and dripping off me. I got y'all. Just let me know, man. Out of here.
I don't fuck with them, they be irate. Bitch, I hate the plane like a pirate. 30% of my hoes look like fly